Consistency matters in all aspects of life. Going to the gym once and thinking that you're going to get bigger biceps is not real. Same thing with chiropractic care. One adjustment might mitigate some pain, but the likelihood of that staying away is probably slim to none. Most times, a chiropractor is going to coach their patient through an entire treatment schedule that is going to create consistency with not only their chiropractic care, but also home activities and activities of daily living, like increasing their hydration, making sure that they're getting adequate sleep, mitigating stressors at work and relationship type stressors. All of these things are integral parts to the care, and the consistency in all of those aspects are what get you to the promised land.